want you to spare a thought this evening for two of Jamaica's veteran sprinters who might not be too happy with the one-year postponement of the Olympics. Former world record holder Asafa Powell, at 37, has said publicly that he would be trying to make the team to Tokyo this year, while Veronica Campbell-Brown, approaching 38, after having her first child, VCB, did not officially come out and said she will be trying to make the team, but she has not yet retired and was in full training before the corona disruption. And what would she be training for in an Olympic year except the Olympics? So with this one-year delay, Asafa and VCB will now be 38 and 39 respectively when the 2021 games come around. No matter how you prepare and how fit you are, at that age, the task will be that much harder. So this delay could very well mean the accelerated end for two of Jamaica's longest serving athletics ambassadors. We're not saying they can't do the unthinkable and make the Olympic team at 38 and 39, especially Asafa, because of the weakness of the Jamaican men's sprinting pool. So for sure, we encourage both Asafa and VCB to train like everybody else and turn up at the trials in 2021. But facts are facts. And we just feel that in terms of the future of these two greats, this postponement of the Olympic Games might have slammed the door shut on their long and illustrious